Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create triangle pattern using C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and most importantly to my subscribers. Thank you for supporting my videos by watching, leaving a comment, suggestion, giving likes. So thank you so much for your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here sharp include IOStream for input output in every C++. This command is very important because it allows us to input, give output, and then use several commands of C++ like variable declarations. Next, we have here using namespace std. So this command is a part of every C++ program also. So we have here several variables that I declared. Int rows, that is 10, I equals 0, j equals 0, space equals 0. So we initialize these three variables to 0. Letter I, j, and space. Int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. When we run our program, this is the first command that is being searched and executed by our compiler, and then it will also destroyed when we terminate our program. So we have here new line, console out or C out to new line, \n, the title of our program, triangle pattern in C++, new line here, and then we have here three looping statement. For I equals 1, I less than or equals to row, I increment, horizontal begin, horizontal tab, T for spacing here, space equals I, space less than rows, space increment. For the second for the third for loop statement, we will display the asterisk to generate the triangle pattern in C++. J equals 1, j less than or equals to 2 multiplied by I minus 1 increment, and then we new line, and then we close here. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so let us compile and run so that we can see the output triangle pattern in C++. We have here the result. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short tutorial video on how to generate triangle pattern in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.